Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You're welcome to the 2025 Goil Regional Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz in the Ashanti region. Today, we bring you the contest featuring Opoku Ware School, St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School, Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School, and Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School. Let's welcome the schools. Let's meet our contestants now. Contesting for Opoku Ware School are
Kusi John
and
Pemaba Stephen Kofi.
Representing St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School are
Odo Gerald
and
Emmanuel Ambapo.
Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School is represented by
Ojija Teko Abigail
and
Kwa Amankwa Beatrice.
then we have Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School being represented by
Owusu Rosemary.
and
George Oforiapia.
contestants, you are welcome. The Goil Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil PLC with support from Momo, from MTN, and Joy News. We say a big thank you to Chas for preparing our contestants to be here with us for the competition. My name is Dr. Gladys Ode Shringa, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 4 rounds of competition, each with its own rules. But in all rounds, you answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 for those not involving calculations. You have 1 attempt at answering, just 1. If you are asked to repeat an answer, please don't change it, just repeat it. In round 1, each school gets a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may then ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point. But when they are wrong, they will lose a point. Please, if you ring your bell before the school is told their answer is wrong, or before the bell goes out on them when they haven't given their answer, you won't be called upon to give your answer for a bonus point. Good. You would have to alert me by ringing the bell if you want to pick a bonus point. Let's make sure our bells are working before we start the contest. Opoku Ware School, St. Joseph Seminary, Serwaa Nyarko, Kofi Agyei. Thank you. Our bells are working. So we'll start the first round. I'll be starting the first round with Opoku Ware School. I wish all schools the best. This first set comes with a preamble that reads, for vibrations of the air column in an open tube of the given length, find the frequency of the mode with 3 pressure antinodes. Take the speed of sound as 343 meters per second in air. Preamble again. For vibrations of the air column in an open tube of the given length, find the frequency of the mode with 3 pressure antinodes. Take the speed of sound as 343 meters per second in air. Opoku Ware. Your length is 26.0 centimeters. Go ahead, please. Stephen.
We have 1.32 by 10 to an exponent of 3 hertz.
Incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? Saint Joseph. Your length is 48.0 centimeters. Anyone for a bonus? Serwaa Nyarko girls. Your length is 15.0 centimeters.
$114 heads.
114
heads.
Incorrect. Kofi Agyei, 36.0 centimeters. Go ahead, Judge.
332 hertz.
Incorrect. Opoku, your answer should have been 1.98 kilohertz. St. Joseph, 1.07 kilohertz. Serwaa Nyarko, 3.43 kilohertz. Kofi Agyei, 1.43 kilohertz. Preamble to all schools. Express the given number as the difference of 2 squares. Express the given number as the difference of 2 squares. Opoku Ware, 137. Yes, Stephen.
69 squared minus 68 squared.
Correct. St. Joseph, 211. Gerald.
106 squared minus 105 squared.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko. 113.
$57 squared minus 56 squared.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. 233. Go ahead. Judge.
117 squared minus 116 squared.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Determine the most ionic compound in the list given. Determine the most ionic compound in the list given. Opoku Ware. MgCl2, NaCl, AlCl3. Yes, John.
NaCl.
Correct. Saint Joseph. CaO, K2O, Sc2O3. Gerald.
Se2O3.
Incorrect. Serwaa Nyarko. Serwaa Nyarko.
K2O.
That is correct. Serwaa Nyarko. LIF, NAF, KF.
KF.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. CABR2, BABR2, SRBR2.
BABR2.
Correct. Opoku Ware. Name the processes that contain pigments in ectothermic vertebrates. Yes, Stephen.
Chromatophores.
Correct. Saint Joseph. Name the chromatophore associated with melanin.
Melanocytes.
What?
Melanocytes.
I give to you. Serwaa Nyarko. Name the chromatophore associated with carotenoids.
Carotenoids.
Incorrect. They are xanthophores. Kofi Agyei. Name the chromatophore associated with guanine crystals. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Guanocytes.
Incorrect. They are called iridophores. Preamble to all schools. Use the given data to find the recoil speed of a launcher of mass m1 when it propels a projectile of mass mp at speed v. Preamble again. Use the given data to find the recoil speed of a launcher of mass m1, or let's say ml. Use the given data to find the recoil speed of a launcher of mass ml when it propels a projectile of mass mp at speed v. Opoku Ware. ml equals 0.80 kilogram. mp equals 8.0 grams. And v equals 320 meters per second. Go ahead, Stephen.
3.2 meters per second.
Correct. St. Joseph. ml equals 0.60 kilogram. mp equals 8.1 grams. And v equals 330 meters per second. Opoku Ware for a bonus.
You have 4.5 by 10 exponent 0 meters per second.
I give to you. Serwaa Nyarko. ml equals 0.72 kilograms. mp equals 9.0 grams. And v equals 280 meters per second.
So we have 36 meters per second.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware. Go ahead, Stephen.
3.5 meters per second.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. ml equals 0.90 kilograms, or 0.90 kilogram. mp equals 7.0 grams. And v equals 360 meters per second. Yes, George.
2.8 meters per second.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. In a plane, A line segment is drawn from a point P to intersect a circle at points A and B. Find the length of the tangent PT from P to the circle at T given. Preamble again. In a plane, a line segment is drawn from a point P to intersect a circle at points A and B. Find the length of the tangent PT and P, tangent PT from P to the circle at T given. Opoku Ware. PA equals 25, PB equals 36. Yes, John.
30.
Correct. St. Joseph. PA equals 9, PB equals 49.
21.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko. PA equals 49, PB equals 64.
34.
It's incorrect. Opoku Ware.
56.
What?
56.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. PA equals 25. PB equals 49.
35.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the equivalent volume ratio for the mass ratio of the given gases. Find the equivalent volume ratio for the mass ratio of the given gases. Opoku Ware School. Nitrogen and oxygen in the mass ratio of 7:8. Yes, John.
1:1.
Correct. St. Joseph. Methane and oxygen in mass ratio of 2:1.
One is to 2.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware.
4:1.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko. Ammonia and hydrogen in mass ratio of 17:1.
One is to 2.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware.
2:1.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. Oxygen and sulfur dioxide in a mass ratio of 2:1.
Four is to 1.
Correct. Opoku Ware. Name the tough fibrous sac that covers the mammalian heart. Yes, John.
Pericardium.
Correct. Saint Joseph. Name the blood vessel that carries blood from the lungs to the heart.
The pulmonary vein.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko. Which blood vessels carry blood returning from the body into the heart?
The vena cava.
I'll give you one. Kofi Agyei, name the heart chambers that receive blood into the heart. Yes, Rosemary.
Left ventricle and right ventricle.
Incorrect. Yes, Opoku Ware.
The right atrium and the left atrium.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko, I needed you to give me the blood vessels. They are the inferior and superior vena cava. That's the end of the first round.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receive now!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
the I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
That was given me an answer of 4.5 times 10 to the power 0 hertz should not be accepted. Please. It is 4.5 heads being written in scientific notation. I accept it. I've been complaining about schools giving me this answer, but it seems that happens a lot. But mathematically it's the same, so I cannot say no to it. I'll complain, but I won't say no to it. Now, Opoku Ware School is here saying St. Joseph gave melanocytes, and I accepted, yes. I'm to accept either melanophores or melanocytes. And they gave me melanocytes, and I accepted. Thank you. So at the end of the first round, Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School had 8 points. St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 12 points. Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School had 15 points. And Opoku Ware School had 26 points. Contestants, we are in the second round. We have the speed race here. Your speed will count here. In this round, each question goes to all schools. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you get it wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they get it wrong, third school will answer correctly for 1 point. When they also get it wrong, fourth school may answer correctly for 1 point. Anytime you attempt and you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you ring the bell to alert me anytime you are ready with your solution. But as soon as you are called, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving your answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you and your answer will be considered wrongly given. Please take note. Madam, we have, and it is, and this is, no, they don't count as you starting to give your answer. And when you are called, and I see you are still working out and calling out the answer to me, I'll just jump you. If there is any school after you, I'll call them. If not, I'll wait out the next school that would ring. So please be ready with your answer before you ring the bell. I wish you all the best. We start with a speed race. Round 2. Name the bright and dark bands observed when the air wedged between 2 glass slides inclined to each other at a small angle is illuminated by monochromatic light. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Fringes.
Correct. Find the resistance of the current shunt required to increase the maximum current an ammeter can read from 200 milliamperes to 20 amperes if the internal resistance of the meter is 0.1 ohm. Yes, Opoku Ware.
1 milliohm.
Incorrect. It is 1 ohm. Find the total radiant power an object at 400.0 Kelvin emits per unit surface area if its emissivity is 0 point. Yes, St. Joseph.
200 Kelvin.
You've been rang out. 0.80. Yes, Opoku Ware.
2. We have 1 point.
You've been
2.
1.2
kilowatts per meter squared.
kilowatt.
Watt per meter squared.
Incorrect. It is 12 watts per meter squared. Find the domain of the function f of x equals the root of the expression x minus 1 over the expression x minus 2. Yes, Kofi Agyei.
The set of S such that x is greater than or equal to 1 and x is not equal to 2.
Incorrect. You get it correct. Find the set of values of x in the interval 0 less than x less than pi, such that half less than cos x less than root 3 over 2. Yes, Opoku Ware.
X is such that pi on 6 radians less than x less than pi on 3 radians.
Correct. Express the equation of the line y equals 2x plus 4 in intercept form. Yes, Kofi Agyei.
Okay. I have x on negative 2 plus x on negative 2 plus y on 4 equals 1.
Correct. An element x exists. Yes, St. Joseph.
Silver.
Incorrect. An element exists as two naturally occurring isotopes, X50.0 and X55.0, in the ratio 7:3. Calculate the relative atomic mass of element. Yes, Opoku Ware.
51.5.
Correct. A metal chloride, MF2, has a solubility product 3.20 times 10 to the power, yes, St. Joseph.
2.0 by 10 exponent negative 3 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect. Has solubility product 3.20 times 10 to the power negative 11. Yes, Kofi Agyei.
we have 2.00 by 10 to an exponent of negative 4 mole per dm cube.
Correct. When heated, titanium 4 oxide, and carbon reacts with chlorine gas to form titanium 4 chloride and carbon monoxide. What is the sum of all coefficients in a balanced equation? Yes, Opoku Ware.
8.
8 is correct. What type of speciation takes place in the absence of geographic isolation? Yes, Opoku Ware.
St. Patrick speciation.
Correct. State the approximate percentage of vertebrates that are fish. Our 10 seconds not passed already. Name the first mammal to be reproductively cloned. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Sheep.
Correct. That's the end of the second round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Radar received out.
Boss, let's go back. Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Okay, we have two challenges on physics. We have called the consultant. He's getting to sit down to look at it. So I'll continue with the contest. By the time we are done with the third round, we would have our response from him. Thank you very much. So I'm not going to announce the scores. Before we continue, Kelvin is coming in for Rosemary to go out for Kofi Agyei. So thank you for being with us, Rosemary. You are welcome, Kelvin. Contestants, we start our third round. In this round, we have a statement for each school. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, 2 points for you. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer, the bell will go out on you, and then another school can ring the bell to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. For this round, statements usually have 10 seconds for you to give an answer. But sometimes, at which times I would announce, you may get 30 seconds. So I wish you all the best. Preamble to all schools. The work done by an ideal gas is an adiabatic process. The work done by an ideal gas is an adiabatic process. Opoku Ware. Vanishes.
False.
Correct. St. Joseph is independent of the temperature change of the gas. Go ahead.
False.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko is always negative. It's always negative.
False.
Correct. Kofi Agyei is proportional to the square of the temperature change of the gas.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Given the graph of y equals f of x, the graph of, given the graph of y equals f of x, the graph of Opoku Ware, y equals f of the expression x minus 2, is obtained by shifting the graph of y equals f of x 2 units to the left.
False.
Correct. St. Joseph, y equals fx plus 2 is obtained by shifting the graph of y equals fx 2 units vertically up.
False.
Incorrect. Serwaa Nyarko, y equals, quiet please, y equals f of negative x is obtained by reflecting the graph of y equals f of x about the x-axis.
False.
Correct. Kofi Agyei, y equals negative f of x is obtained by reflecting the graph of y equals f of x about the y-axis.
True.
Incorrect. Opoku Ware, carbon dioxide contains both ionic and covalent bonds.
False.
Correct. St. Joseph, Ionic compounds tend to have high melting and boiling points due to strong electrostatic forces between ions.
True.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko. The bonding in methane is purely covalent with a tetrahedral geometry.
True.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. Hydrogen bonding is a type of chemical bond stronger than covalent bonding.
True.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. In mitotic prophase in plants, Opoku Ware, chromosomes are not visible.
False.
Correct. Saint Joseph, the nucleolus is visible.
False.
Incorrect. Serwaa Nyarko, the cell wall disintegrates.
False.
Correct. Kofi Agyei, centrioles are present.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The electric charge on a body can be approximately Opoku Ware School, 1.602 by 10 to the power negative 20 coulomb.
False.
Correct. Saint Joseph, 8.01 by 10 to the power negative 20 coulomb.
False.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko, negative 1.602 by 10 to the power negative 20 coulomb.
False.
Correct. Kofi Agyei, 1.282 by 10 to the power negative 18 coulomb.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. The rate of increase with respect to x of Opoku Ware, y equals x squared plus 3 over x squared is 2x plus 1 over x cubed.
False.
Correct. Saint Joseph, y equals x cubed plus 1 over 3x cubed is 3x squared minus 1 over x to the power 4.
True.
Correct. Serwaa Nyarko with the same preamble. Y equals x to the power 4 minus 4 over x to the power 4 is 4x cubed plus 16 over x to the power 5.
True.
Correct. Kofi Agyei, same preamble. y equals x to the power 5 plus 5 over x to the power 5 is 5x to the power 4 minus 20 over x to the power 6.
False.
Correct. Metals tend to act as reducing agents because they lose electrons easily. Opoku Ware.
True.
Correct. Saint Joseph. Fluorine is one of the strongest oxidizing agents.
False.
Incorrect. Serwaa Nyarko. The oxidation number of hydrogen is always +1 in all its compounds.
False.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. Hydrogen can act as both an oxidizing and a reducing agent depending on the reaction.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The given item can be viewed under a light microscope. The given item can be viewed under a light microscope. Opoku Ware. Virus.
False.
Correct. Saint Joseph. Nucleus.
True.
Correct. Most plant cells. Serwaa Nyarko.
True.
Correct. Kofi Agyei. Human egg.
True.
Correct. That's the end of the third round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Radar received now!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
come back with his determination, and Opoku Ware is getting both for the second round. So at the end of round two, St. Joseph, no, let's start with Serwaa Nyarko. Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School had 8 points. St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 9 points. Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School had 23 points. And Opoku Ware School had 48 points. At the end of the third round, St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 16 points. Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School had 24 points. Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School had 30 points. And Opoku Ware School had 64 points. Contestants, we start with our fourth and final round. In this round, we are going to solve 4 riddles. But GOIL PLC has a message for us. GOIL PLC is saying that for this round, there is a GOIL Riddle Bonanza that would go to a school that is able to solve either 3 out of the 4 or all 4 riddles correctly. If you solve 3 out of 4 at this stage, you earn 200 Ghana cedis. If you solve all 4 correctly, you earn 400 Ghana cedis. The GOIL Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOIL. Good energy. I hope this is enough motivation. So for this round, I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you are able to solve the riddle on clue 1, you get 5 points. Clue 2, 4 points. Third, to the very last, you earn 3 points. Each riddle comes to all of you. You may take turns, but you have to ring the bell to alert me. You can ring at any point you feel you have your answer. I'll give you the opportunity to give your answer. If you are wrong, another school may take it up, and you will sit out till another riddle is ready. I wish you the best. Riddle, riddle. I am an experiment that established an important property of matter. I am the experiment that led to the nuclear model of the atom. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment.
No, please. Which St. Joseph?
We have the cathode ray experiment.
No. I continue. I am a scattering experiment named for the scientists who first performed me. I go by several other names that include gold foil, Rutherford, or alpha. Yes, Serwaa Nyarko.
Alpha scattering experiment.
Come again.
Alpha scattering experiment.
No, please. The scientist whose name starts mine is famous for a particle counter. Who am I? Yes, Kofi Agyei.
Geiger scattering experiment.
Incorrect. Kofi Agyei, this one was a guess. You guessed the Geiger. It's Geiger-Marsden experiment. I am a 4-digit palindromic number. My first digit is a cube. My second digit is a square. The number formed by my first two digits is a multiple of 7. Yes, Opoku Ware.
8,448.
Correct. We continue. I am a rare and highly radioactive element. I was named after a country. I was discovered by Marie Curie. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Polonium.
Polonium. Last riddle. Last riddle. Please, may I continue? Thank you. I am a class of animals. I am a marine class of globular or disc-shaped animals. My members bear interesting names: sea biscuits, sand dollars. Yes, St. Joseph.
Echinoderms.
No. Sea urchins are some of my members. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Class Echinoidea.
Class?
Echinoidea.
That is correct. That is the end of the contest.
Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP, available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
Continue. Our contest has ended. And at the end of the contest, St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 16 points. Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School had 24 points. Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School had 30 points. Would say goodbye to St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School, Serwaa Nyarko Girls Senior High School, and Kofi Agyei Senior High Technical School. We wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations to you, Opoku Ware School. You won the contest with 73 points. For winning this contest, you have qualified to the next stage of competition. I wish you the best as you prepare for your next contest. Thank you for joining us for this contest. This has been the 6th contest in the 2025 Gaul Ashanti Regional Championship. The Gaul Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Gaul PLC with support from Momo by MTN and Joy News. I am Dr. Gladys Ode Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.
Are you ready? Go back,